welcome back, friends. Today we have the funnest craft and we are starting with a paper bag. It doesn't matter as long as it's paper bag. You can also use a white one if you want. I'm going to use several of these plastic bags. I had 3, but I ended up just using 2. We're going to use a couple of these large googly eyes and 2 of a larger, buttons. We're going to use some construction paper. I'm going to use orange, yellow, as well as red, and a fall ribbon. Any ribbon you have on hand is fine. I'm going to use a rock. This is just so that we can weigh down our craft. I'm going to use my scissors, my hot glue, as well as a black marker. You can also use a Sharpie if you want. We're going to start by marking 6 inches from the bottom on the front of the bag, so not the side that flaps. Then we're going to draw what will look like a little mouth. We're creating a cute little scarecrow. We're just going to make it a cross and then make crisscross lines all the way from one side to the other. And then we're going to hot glue 1 button on each side. And this will be the rosy cheeks. Now we're going to take the orange construction paper and we're going to cut a triangle, and this will be the nose, and we're just going to hot glue it right there. I like starting at the bottom because it's just working your way up is so much easier. All right, so then we're going to hot glue both googly eyes right there at the top. Now we're going to open up the bag, and the first thing we want to place, of course, is the rock so that we can weigh it down. And then we're going to place the 2 bags. Again, you can use as many as you want. We want to make it nice and stuffy. So once the bags are in there, just make sure that they're nicely put towards each end and then all the way to the bottom. Just fold the top as you would any other lunch bag, and then we just want to fold it a couple of times and hot glue it to itself. I made the mistake that I added the glue on the outside, like right here. No, don't do that. Do it on the inside so it can hot glue to each other, just like that. All right, so we're going to then take that and we're going to mark 1 inch on each side of the width of the bag. And we're going to take the width of the ruler and we're just going to cut that piece. We're creating a cute little hat. Then we're going to take that piece again and we're just going to cut a piece that is as wide as the bag, and we're going to cut it into a triangle, and you can make it as high as you want. Once cut, we're going to join those 2 pieces together, creating what will look like maybe like a little witch hat. And you can use black construction paper if you want as well. We're going to bring in the ribbon. We're going to cut a piece as wide as the triangle. We're going to cut half of it because it was a little on the thicker side. And we're just going to add it right there. So cute. We're going to trim the edges and just cut off the excess. That way it's going to look nice and flush and pretty. We're going to make some hay, or what will look like hay. I have this yellow construction paper. We're going to cut small little pieces, and then we're going to hot glue them to the back of the hat. And we're just going to use my hot glue, but of course you can use your glue stick if that is safer and better for you. I'm going to do that all across. And then once you have the hat all done, we are going to hot glue all of it to the top of the bag. And you can trim the hay as you like. And I think it turned out so adorable. How fun is this fall craft? You can do it very inexpensively. I'd love to know what you think of this one. And I have another video here for you with tons more of fun crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.